Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, like the title says, today's video is a hair tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how I installed this very beautiful Jerry curl frontal wig. Shout out to YOLOVA hair for sending me this beautiful wig. It came in this very pretty packaging. It has YOLOVA written at the bottom, born for beauty, and I'm going to take this off. It just has YOLOVA written on it. You open it up and the wig is in here. So it came with a wig bag, which I thought was very cute. It came with 2 wig caps, these plastic lashes, a net, and tweezers. I thought that was very nice of them to put a pair of tweezers in there just in case you want to like customize your frontal and like pluck it to your liking. So I did customize my frontal. I bleached the knots and then I plucked the frontal a bit, but I didn't do too much plucking, just a tiny bit. And then I didn't bother tinting the lace. In the video you'll see me using foundation on the lace. The hair is very soft. I haven't had any shedding so far. So soft. The curls are popping. Like, I did put conditioner and water on it, but it's almost dry and like the curls are still there. It still has that wet look, which I really like. Altogether, I'm loving this hair so far. It's very soft, it's very nice. I did get it in 26 inches just because I like some nice length, and that's really it. So if you guys want to see how I installed this curly hair and you know all that jazz, then do keep watching. You know what to do. Go to YOLOVA, shop their hair. I'll have a coupon code K.DOLL for all my subscribers, so do use my discount code if you want to get yourself some money off your orders. All the information on this wig will be in the description box down below. I'll have the direct link to this hair there as well. And except from that, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. see more hair tutorials. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Follow me on my social media account. They'll all be in the description box down below, and except from that, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.